people passed by dying Jesus, their heads wagged, ah, they cried. You said you'd tear the temple down and rebuild it in 3 days' time. If you're the Son of God, they sneered. Now save yourself, come down, step off that cross and prove your claim. Upgrade that thorny crown. Save yourself, come down from the tree. If you are Christ the King, then set yourself free. We'll see and then believe, they say. But still he hangs, suffering, as his life slips away. The people stood and watched Jesus there. The rulers scoffed in turn. He saved others, can't he save himself? The Christ of God, the chosen one. He trusts in God, then let God now deliver whom he loves. For he declared, I'm God's own son. Let him be rescued from above. Save yourself, come down from the tree. If you are Christ the King, then set yourself free. We'll see and then believe, they say. But still he hangs, suffering, as his life slips away. The soldiers too drew near to jeer and offered Jesus our wine. If you're the King of all the Jews, then save yourself in time. Above his head was an inscription, clear as anything. This is Jesus of Nazareth, Israel's rightful King. Priests and passers-by, soldiers and cynics swelled the crowd. The single song filled the air, hearts harmonized in hatred loud. Save yourself, come down at once, prove every royal claim. Yet love refused to leave the cross and bore their scorn and shame. On crosses flanking either side, the criminals reviled. They hurled their insults just the same, with bitterness and bile. And one among the hanging men cried out in harsh demand, are you not Christ? Then save yourself, save us with your mighty hand. Save yourself, come down from the tree. You freed others, so set yourself free. If you are God's beloved Son, why won't he save his chosen one?